So this is what? This is not pork, this is beef, yeah? From a cow.
No. Beef, no.
That's not pork.
Oh, okay.
Is this pork?
Oh, yes. So mixing soy sauce.
Pork in soy sauce, so it's been in. And what are these things here?
This is rice cake.
Rice cake.
Rice cake. Dog.
And this is potato, yeah?
Okay, potato.
So this, it looks like beef to me.
이게 뭐야? 수시 뭐지? 수시?
So they are putting it on the, can you see this?
Okay, and
It is hot under
수시
there.
뭐지?
This is onion salad. What is this thing here? What are these things in these pots? Genjanjige. Ah, my favorite. It's very delicious. It's very hot.
This is very delicious.
This, where it's showing. What is this? Kejang. What is kejang?
Crab.
Crab. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I can see crab.
Spicy crab.
But do you eat the shell? That's unbelievable. So they are taking good care of me, aren't you, Hyungju? And what's this one here?
Salad.
Yeah. What sort of
and this one.
carrots?
Okay, and carrots and exchange it. Then mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise. Oh, I've never. So that's raw garlic, yeah? Yeah,
이게
delicious.
뉴질랜드 사람은 갈릭 센 거를 진짜 좋아하더라고.
And what's this one here? Yeah, what's that?
이게 뭐야? Turnip. This is turnip.
Turnip? Let me see, bring it over here. Why is it pink? What is this dish? This is kimchi.
Kimchi.
Is this the most famous dish in Korea?
Very famous.
Number one, it's very healthy, yeah?
For your health.
I do not know this girl's name, but I can see that I need to get to know it.
Next time.
Next time what?
Okay.
Soju?
소주. 잔 되게 많이 나오네.
She has done that before.
자, 이거 안주 안 돼. 먼저 한 잔.
I'm being served here. So what is this?
It is a 동치미.
Sorry? Dokjimi.
동치미.
Dongjimi. Yeah? Very funny, Erica. Thank you. So you get leaves of, they're mint leaves, I think, and lettuce leaves. You put some of the onion salad in. Wrap it up. And shove it in. So you got the leaves, yes, thank you. Oh wait there, we've got to fan them by doing...
자, 누가 당첨이 얘기 한번 하세요.
열심히 해봅시다.
네, 고맙습니다.
Hey. Oh, in one. This restaurant's very good, is it? Well, it's delicious food. Yeah, it's very good.
Thank you.
Well, thank you. Look at all we are demolishing it. Let's just see an expert in action.
I'm lucky.
달라고 그랬어요.
여기 있잖아요.
I will never have that chopstick next to. Oh, I was going to say that.
이게 지금 우리 유과장님이 한판 해야 되는 거?
It's unbelievable, really. They didn't make a mistake. That was such a clean catch. Oh my god, we're going to be on more soju.
돈으로 받아야지. 아니야,
Look at this. Forcing them to drink. That's the way to do it. Look at her body language. 감사합니다.
너는 버림받아. 몰라요. 과장님, 우리 과장님이 한 판인데. 오케이, 오픈 됐죠.
Right, let's go.
저희 학원이 9월이죠 지금. 9월부터 영원하게 아이들이 많이 들어왔으면 좋겠습니다.
예, 아이고.
I want. Why do you put the cucumber in the soju?
아, the sauce.
Softens it, so it's easy to drink.
오케이.
It's not that strong. Oh, okay. It's okay. Just on the top.
You try that. 아니,
Okay, wait there.
wait. 자, and drink after.
I eat it. Eat it now. Drink and eat. Drink first.
자, 한번 누구 거야 이거? 은영아 얘기 한번 해야지 우리 그래도 이쁜 은영이.
딴 것보다 수학이 제일 잘 됐으면 좋겠어요.
네, 은영 화이팅. 네, 잘 되겠다.
And then eat straight away.
오케이. 이걸 찍었어야지 먹는 걸.
Well, to drink soju, I need pork. It's good for my health. What is it?
This is 무 터닙 아니 무가 터닙이에요? 터닙 아니요 무가 영어로 뭐예요?
Yeah, turnip. So it's pickled turnip.
Yes.
I prefer pickled cabbage.
Liver L-I-V-E-R.
Oh, no.
No? Disgusting?
Offal is disgusting. That's not liver, that's congealed blood. Yeah, that's blood.
That's
It's blood. Oh, yeah.
아직까지 음식을
how about this?
Yeah, very good.
Very good. Cheer and bottom job. Oh, Tom. Oh.
Yeah.
밥?
Bop?
밥?
Yeah. Okay, so we are pretty much, I guess, coming to the end of this. I guess it has to be called a feast. I mean, because wherever you look, there are plates for food on there. Look at this, they feed each other beer. And they, oh my god. She might have to down that in one. I had to down one of those in one. I did not realize. This girl, Erica, is beer master. It's been pretty heavy on your drinking. I've had at least 8 of these sojus, maybe 10. I don't know.
고추와 정말 안 매우 맛있다.
자, 건배.
Well, I must keep my face. This is Korean culture at its best. And that is how the Koreans do it.